Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 1, 2, 4, 12, 48 and 240. The given options are 1, 2, 12 and 240. To find out the wrong number, first let me consider the given question. The given question is 1, 2, 4, 12, 48 and 240. Well friends, see, this 1 can be written as 1 into 1. This 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Similarly, the 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now, the 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Similarly, the 48 can be written as 12 into 4. Okay. 240. This 240 can be written as 48 into 5. That means the series is obtained by multiplying the numbers with a series of whole numbers. See now here, I am having 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 1. Whereas the series of whole numbers starts with 0. So here I should get it as 0. 0 into anything is 0. So instead of 1, I should have got 0 here. Okay. Therefore, the 1 is the wrong number. So now let us check the given options. The given options 1 is 1 itself. Therefore, the first option is the correct option. We will see some more problems.